I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't expecting this to hit me emotionally, but after animating one of my old family photos using Canva AI, it honestly felt like bringing a memory back to life. And the crazy part, it was way easier than I expected. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step.
Today, I'm gonna try something different. I was inspired by a viewer who recently told me about a project she was working on, reviving some old photos for a reunion. So I thought I'd try it with some old photos here in Canva and show you how to do it for yourself. First, I'll go to Uploads. Here are the example photos that I found inside Canva's photo library I'll be using for this project. Some are black and white and some are in color. They're also in different sizes. So I'm gonna try and animate these. I'll try this one first. I'll drag it right here for now, and then I'm gonna enlarge it to fill the page. What I wanna do now is click on this picture, then go to Edit. Next, I'll go to Image to Video and click on that. You can either let the AI animate it automatically, or you can tell it exactly what you want to happen. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna let the AI do its own thing. I also want you to notice these videos are now 6 seconds long. A few days ago it was 5, and a few weeks ago it was 3. Next, click on Generate and let's see what we get. Wow, isn't that amazing? Remember, this was just an old photo, and now we've transformed it into a beautiful video. So let's try another. I'll pull it over here. This one will not fill up the whole page, but that's okay. But let's try it anyway. So this really cool image, I'm gonna take it and do the same thing. So click on the picture, then click on Edit. Then come over here, go to Image to Video. Click on that. I'm gonna leave it on the Smart option, then click on Generate. That is so cool. Okay, so let's make a few more to add to my family tree video. Go back to Uploads. How about this one? I'll bring it over here, make it fill the page. Then click on that. Now it's loaded. So I'll click on this. Next, over to the Tools section and choose Image to Video. Lastly, I'll click on Generate. Wow, I am amazed each time I do this.
So this time, I'm gonna use an old pet photo. Imagine this was the first cat you ever owned, and this is the photo you have of it. It doesn't fill the whole page, but that's all right. So now that we've got that added, let's do the same thing and then click here to generate. Wow, every pet owner would love this. This time, let's go back to Uploads and try this one. It is so colorful and the eyes really catch my attention. Imagine this was a photo you took when traveling somewhere. Let's see what happens this time. I'll click right here to animate it. There we go. Very nice. By now you know the process, so I'll let you watch as I finish animating the rest of these images and converting them into mini videos for my family tree video that I want to make. All right, so all the images are converted into mini videos, and now I will add a template at the beginning and end of these video clips. I will also add transitions between each video and custom music I made in Suno, so you can be as detailed as you'd like. And here's the final product, so let's play it.
time to use your imagination and see what you can make with image to video.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.